Welcome to Jet Plus World. Will Raghav Chaddha join BJP? Will Raghav Chaddha be the next Chief Minister of Delhi? This possibility is very strong. Since Raghav Chaddha has been removed from the post of Deputy Leader from the Rajya Sabha by the Aam Aadmi Party leadership, the debate is going on all over the social media and the mainstream media about the future of Raghav Chaddha and why this has happened once who was considered very close to Aam Aadmi Chief Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Raghav Chaddha was the youngest leader and he was very close to Mr. Kejriwal, and all through rule of the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, he was instrumental in all kind of policy making and the implementation of the welfare programs and policies of the Aam Aadmi Party government. When the party won election in Punjab, Raghav Chaddha was instrumental in shaping the Aam Aadmi Party policies there also, and he was helping hand to Mr. Bhagwant Singh Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister. His name was even once considered for Chief Ministership, but not being in the local politics and not being from Punjab, therefore being the very young face, so it was thought that he will not be acceptable to the people of Punjab. So Bhagwant Singh Mann's name was actually zeroed in on. Now Mr. Chaddha has been maintaining a calculated distance from Aam Aadmi Party since many months. He was not raising the issue extended by the Aam Aadmi Party in the parliament. He was raising his own issues. He was working for his own publicity and his own development. He was raising issues of samosa and chai at the airport. Nobody is going to ask him why the common man of India, how he is being influenced by the prices of samosa and chai at the airport. So whatever the issues and the matters the party wanted him to raise in the parliament, he was not doing so intensely. He was avoiding party work intensely. Since last 6-7 months, he was maintaining distance from the party, distance from the party leaders. He was not actively participating in the various programs and the programs of the party. He was not meeting quite often to the other party leaders. He was not in touch with the party chief, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. When Arvind Kejriwal was sent to jail, Raghav Chaddha flew to England to roam about there, and he did not bother to inquire about Mr. Kejriwal, and he did not post anything on his X social media platform. When Mr. Kejriwal and his colleagues were acquitted by the court in corruption cases, Mr. Raghav Chaddha was also again absent from the gatherings of the party leaders who were celebrating this Kejriwal's acquittal. He did not bother even to call Mr. Kejriwal. He did not bother even to post on X about this great success of victory of the Kejriwal and his party and other leaders. He was, intensely and in a very, very calculated manner, he was maintaining distance from the Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders. Matter came to, turning point when there was an impeachment motion against the Chief Election Commissioner in India, and that was to be signed by all opposition leaders and members in the House. Mr. Raghav Chaddha refused to sign the impeachment motion. Mr. Raghav Chaddha refused to join the other opposition members while boycotting the parliamentary session, Rajya Sabha session. He was taking his own line. He was openly challenging the party leadership. He was openly challenging the party instructions and party whip. He was openly not obeying the party instructions. He was not speaking against the BJP. He was not speaking, leave aside the Prime Minister Modi, he was not even speaking against BJP. He was not raising the issues raised by our party in the outside parliament. He was never talking about the LPG problem, other issues being faced by the country. He was talking about samosa and chai at the airport. he was completely ignoring the Aam Aadmi Party line. He was completely ignoring the party leadership. He was completely ignoring the party workers and cadres. So something was brewing inside. The political sources are very confirmed about that. BJP leaders are quite uncomfortable with Rekha Gupta, the Delhi Chief Minister. She was made Chief Minister because of being a woman, but after becoming Chief Minister, she has become the subject of shame for the party. She is a big embarrassment for the party. Whatever she speaks, wherever she speaks, it becomes a matter of controversy, and she is a big embarrassment. The party BJP and the BJP leadership. She has no knowledge on anything. She has no administration, knowledge of administration and control over the administration. She is completely and badly failed on all fronts. At this time, BJP leadership and other party leaders, Mr. Amit Shah and Modi, they are actually looking for some leader in Delhi who is actually of equal status and caliber of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. They are looking for a leader who is of, on equal footing with the Kejriwal, who is well qualified and who is, well known in the Delhi, who, qualified enough to be, to face the challenge of Mr. Kejriwal. That's why they are convincing Mr. Chaddha to join BJP, and it is likely that very soon Rekha Gupta will be asked to resign, and Mr. Chaddha, Raghav Chaddha, will be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Delhi. That is the big offer by BJP to Chaddha. That's why Chaddha decided to switch the side and decided to challenge his party, decided to maintain distance from his party. It is the big offer from the BJP to give him the Chief Minister's position in the Delhi. That's why Chaddha has decided to leave Aam Aadmi Party. It's a matter of just time. Within 6 months, he will be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Delhi and he will resign from the Rajya Sabha. That is what has been going on for the last 6-7 months. And Pariniti Chopra, his wife, Raghu Chaddha's wife, has played a very, very instrumental role in this all political churning. Let's see what happens next. Let's meet in the next video on some other topic. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.